Hi, I'm Don with Fernco. Today I will be installing a 1-inch Pow-R Wrap repair kit. No tools are required for this installation. Cure time is 30 to 90 minutes and will hold 600 psi when fully cured. Pow-R Wrap is water activated, can be installed wet or dry, and is safe for potable water. Included in every kit are complete instructions, disposable gloves, 2-part putty, and the fiberglass wrap. First step in the repair would be to clean and sand the pipe. Then the putty would be mixed thoroughly until it's a consistent uniform gray color. Once it is thoroughly mixed, press it onto the point to be repaired, feathering out the edges. The next step is to add water to the foil pouch. The water activates the resin. Massage the water into the resin for about 30 seconds. Remove the fiberglass wrap. Starting on one side of the repair, wrap this tightly around the repair. Eight to 10 wraps over top of the putty are recommended. This will need to be held tight until it fully cures. Once the repair has fully cured, the pipe can be put back into service. For questions or more information, visit Fernco.com.